So we are going to do osteosarcoma in 3 minutes. So osteogenic sarcoma, it is the malignancy of mesenchymal cells that have the ability to produce osteo. Okay, the etiopathic exact cause is not known. Rapid bone growth predisposes patients to osteosarcoma. Okay, incidence is seen during adolescence. Environmental risk is radiation. Then you have genetic predisposition, that is 4 factors you have to remember. Familial cause is just deletion of chromosome 13, Q14, bone dysplasia. Third one is Li-Fraumeni syndrome, and fourth is Rothmund-Thompson syndrome. Okay, let's move on to the clinical features. Clinical features, you will see long bones near the metaphyseal plate will have rapid growth, and these are the bones which are affected. In the maxilla, you have the alveolo-maxillary sinus affected, alveolar bone, maxillary sinus. Mandible, you have the body, the symphysis menti, the angle, the ramus, TMJ. Pain and swelling are the main causes. History of trauma is given by the patient. And then the patient complains of sprain, arthritis, growing pain, and other symptoms are there, such as fever, malaise, all that. So oral manifestation, if you come to, you will have swelling, pain, and then you will have facial asymmetry, toothache, exfoliation, nasal obstruction, all of these can be seen. And then we come to the variants. Okay, so there are about 8 variants you have to remember. This for conventional, which have 3 types: osteoblastic, chondroblastic, fibroblastic, and then you have telangiectatic, small type osteosarcoma, then you have paraosteal osteosarcoma, periosteal osteosarcoma, and high grade surface osteosarcoma, and low grade central osteosarcoma, and extramedullary osteosarcoma. Okay, if you learn about the radiographic features, this you have to remember. Cumulus cloud appearance you will see. So depends on the osteoid bone formation. Little bone you will have radiolucent, mixed radiolucent dense, and radio-opaque in more tumor osteoid tumor. Cumulus dense cloud densities will be seen due to mineralizing of the osteoid. Okay, 3 classic features you have to remember: sunray sunburst appearance. So this appearance, sunray sunburst. Then you have pedial riding stage, which is known as Garrington sign, and then you have one more, Codman's triangle you have to remember. It is when periosteum is elevated and forms like a tent-like fashion. Okay, histoblastic, if you have to remember, osteoid bone is formed. Most is osteoblastic, so osteoid bone, and you will have osteoblast rimming around it. Okay, this is in osteoblastic. And then you have fibroblastic, which is 34%. You have osteoid bone plus you have anaplastic fibroblast. Okay, and scarce osteoid bone. In chondroblastic, you will have cartilage plus osteoid bone, and plus you will have chondroid myxomatous chondroid tissue. And now we come to the MSTS staging of osteosarcoma. So you have stage 1, which is low grade, no metastasis; stage 2, high grade, no metastasis, and then you have intracompartment, extra compartment, and third one is low grade or high grade with mets. And reaction on this is done. That's it. Thank you.